In this video, I want to talk to you about developing a habit around knowing your numbers. If you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and I make these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something that they can sell for a lot of money someday when they decide it's time to sell and move on. Okay, so what do I mean by knowing your numbers? That could be on many different levels. But I'm going to give you a couple of very basic ways to start. One is understand your P&Ls and get to the point where you can use them as a tool to strategize and make decisions, put things in place to get more profitable. The other thing that you can start to do is to job cost. And a lot of times that starts with implementing a way to track labor and materials to jobs. Another thing that you can do is, if you've already got that in place, you can set a budget, manage the job to the budget throughout the life of the job, and then have a financial review for the individual jobs as they close, so you can find out what went well, what didn't go well, and come up with a plan on what you can do differently next time to get more profitable. If you need help with this, if you need help getting started, book a call with me by clicking the link below this video. We'll get on a call. There's no charge. At the very least, I guarantee you, you're going to come away from that call with a simple plan so you can start to know your numbers and develop this really important habit. See you in the next video.